Here we are with a few scratches on the car that I got from pulling in and out of the garage. So thankfully I went to the Hyundai dealership and they gave me a scratch pen. Paint pen, actually, in Moonstone Silver, made by Hyundai. And it's the exact same color. And I'm going to go ahead and wipe off any debris that may be on here. And I've already matched the color up. It's a perfect match. You shake it up a little bit. Take the little plastic here off the top. And here's the paint. Dab this right on. Cross, fill in that scratch. And you might have to do one or maybe 2 or 3 coats. There, that's already looking a lot better than what it was. Probably let it dry for a few minutes and then maybe go ahead and put a second coat on here. Perfect match. It is the exact color of the vehicle. Imagine that. And it's as easy as applying nail polish. That's how easy it is. It's got a little nail brush right here. See it? Well, take your time. Don't rush. No need to rush. Take your time and do it right. Got a little one right up here. I'm going to go ahead and cover that. As you can see, it's blending in perfect. It's almost like that scratch wasn't even there. Amazing. Put gloves on though. I mean, you don't want to get this all over your hands. I mean, there's all kinds of chemicals in this paint. They recommend you put a face mask on, but I'm not going to go ahead and do that. I'm out doing this outside, so I should be all right. All right, we're going to get down here a little bit on the bottom. And I think it looks great. I think we'll go ahead and wait a couple minutes and then go ahead and give it a second coat. Maybe one more would be good. We got a little spot up here. I'm going to cover that up. And this little container was not very expensive, under $25. And this should last, well, there's quite a bit still in there. I mean, you couldn't paint your whole car with this one little tube, but it does do the job. And I think just because we're outside, it's going to dry up pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat on here. And that blends in perfect. All right, there we have it.